Welcome to our channel. Today we how to check mortgage rates with Wells Fargo, Rate Lookup guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Wells Fargo website URL. Once the page loads, navigate to the Home Loans section. Look for the option that says Mortgage Rates. Click on that link to proceed to the Mortgage Rates page. You will see various mortgage options listed. Review the types of mortgages available, such as fixed rate and adjustable rate options. Choose the mortgage type you are interested in. Locate the rate information or Get Started button on the page. Click on it to view current mortgage rates. You may need to enter some basic information. Fill in your zip code and the loan amount you are considering. Select your desired loan term, such as 15 or 30 years. If applicable, indicate whether you are a first-time homebuyer. Review the displayed rates based on your input. Take note of important details like annual percentage rates and fees. If you want personalized rates, consider scheduling a consultation. Find the contact options available on the site to speak with a mortgage specialist. Finally, bookmark the page for easy reference in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.